Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum my YouTube students. Welcome to Amber's MATHSMANIA. Dear students, today we are going to discuss practical geometry exercise 17.3 question number 2. In exercise 17.3 question number 2 is about construct a triangle equal in area to the quadrilateral PQRS having QR is equal to 7 cm, RS is equal to 6 cm, SP is equal to 2.75 cm and angle R is equal to 60 degree and angle S is equal to 90 degree. We are going to construct a triangle which is equal in area of the quadrilateral PQRS, and here three sides are given and two angles are given. Here we are having three sides QR, RS and SP, and two angles. First one is R, angle R that is equal to 60 degree and angle S is equal to 90 degree. When we are having angles, so we have to take that side first in which both two angles can be drawn. So we are going to take RS side first so that we can draw both these R and S angle on it. So let's draw it. Now draw RS is equal to 6 centimeters. So here we will start and this will end here. So this is of 6 centimeter. Now here RS is equal to 6 centimeter we have drawn. Now let's choose the compass, and by taking R as a center, draw 60 degree angle on R. Now adjust it. Now draw an arc. Now place the compass over here and adjust it. Now taking this as a center, draw another arc. Yes. Now this is 60 degree angle. Our angle we have drawn of 60 degrees. You know that Q and S are the direction of R, but the angle is the middle one. For example, if QRS is there, so we have to draw angle on R. If RSP is there, so we have to draw angle on S, that is the middle one. So on RSP we have to draw a 90 degree angle. So let's draw this 90 degree angle. Take the compass, and here we are having the compass. So taking S as a center, let's open the compass to some appropriate radius. Now taking S as a center, we have to draw a semicircle. Here we are having the semicircle. Now taking this as a center, now draw an other arc. Draw this arc. Now taking this as center, we have to draw this arc as well as this arc. Fine. Now this is the point of intersection. Take the scale. On QR we are having 7 centimeter. So taking R as a center, we have to draw a QR of 7 centimeter. You can see that RS we have used, no other R is there, just QR is there, that is of 7 centimeter. So let's take the distance of 7 centimeter. So let's measure that distance from the compass. So here it is 7 centimeter. We have to draw an arc of 7 centimeter. Now let's take the scale and put the scale over there. Now let's draw the line. Here QR is of 7 centimeter. So that point will be of course Q. That point will be Q. Now we have to draw SP of 2.75 centimeter. Let's take the scale and compass and measure 2.75 from the compass 2.7567 and 5, that will be between 7 and 8. Yes, here it is. So now taking S as a center, we have drawn another arc of 2.75 centimeter. So let's remove this and take the scale again, and we have to draw that 90-degree angle till that arc. Now let's draw 90-degree angle till that arc. Yes, here we have, that point will definitely be P point. Now we have to join Q point with P point, so you have to join it with scale. So here we have constructed a quadrilateral PQRS. Fine. Now we are going to construct a triangle that will be equal in area of this quadrilateral PQRS. Now I am going to meet P with R. We have to draw a dotted line from P to R. We have to set our compass on R. And take an appropriate distance, or the distance should be same like we have taken before. I am taking the same distance ताकि खिचड़ी ना बने. We have set our arc with the same radius that we have taken on R, and we have set our compass on Q, and we have to draw an arc. Okay, now we are going to measure this one distance. Yes, here let's measure this distance. Yes, here it is. So we have to take this as a center and put an arc. Now we have to take the scale, and same like in the previous question, we have to extend our RS. So I am extended it up till here. Now take the scale and need to draw a line by at this point. This parallel line will be that. Okay, now I'm going to remove that scale. So here we are having that parallel line. So we have drawn that parallel line. So let's give the name to that point, W. So we have to draw a line from W to P. Fine. And that WSP is the required triangle whose area is equal to the area of the quadrilateral PQRS. First of all, we have taken RS is equal to 6 centimeter. Here we are having RS is equal to 6 centimeter. We have taken first, and afterwards at point R we have drawn an angle of 60 degree, and at point S we have drawn an angle of 90 degree. And after making angle 60 degree on R and angle 90 degree on S, by taking R as a center, we have drawn an arc of 7 centimeter by using the compass, and 2.75 centimeter on S by using compass. Afterwards we have joined P with Q, hence PQRS is the complete quadrilateral. Afterwards we have joined R with P, and through Q we have drawn QW, that is parallel to PR, to meet SR at point W. Join W with P, join W with P, then WSP is this one is actually the required triangle. I hope you have understood this question as well. Now in my next video we will be doing question number 3 of 17.3. Till then, Allah Hafiz.